Today's topic is how to remove a green screen background from the video. So let's start. Take a new composition. Import your green screen video. Select this layer and go to Effect. Then keying to Color key. Then select your green color from Key Color. And it's removed. Now there is no green background. Let's make it perfect. Make color tolerance 100. Edge thin 1. Edge feather 0.5. Now it is perfect. Now add a different color in the background for checking. Or you can add a video in the background. Then export your video. Here's the video after removed green screen. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed.